Hey everybody, my name is Miss Bailey and I will be your 9th grade English 1 teacher. I am very excited to have you guys in person and to see your guys' smiling faces. I have high hopes for this school year and we're going to make the most of it that we can. With that being said, some of the things that we're going to do the very first day is go over Canvas, email, and the syllabus. I'm really going to emphasize Canvas because with this year being crazy, everything will be on Canvas. I'm going to try to put most of everything on Canvas all the time for you guys, so you guys will always have access to it. That's very important for this year especially. I'm trying to make this as easy as possible for you guys and easy on me as well. But as we're working together, and I believe in you guys, so this will be a great school year. I'm very excited. I just recently graduated from Miami University with a degree in English education. So I'm very excited to be a Firebird and to teach you guys here at Lakota West Freshman. If you have any questions, my email will be on Canvas along with some other information about me. But like I said, we'll go over all of that the very first day. So until then, I'll see you guys, and I just cannot wait to see you.